Hello everyone, this is Yein from Craftiviti. We receive a lot of inquiries about petroleum jelly, and concerned mothers and people concerned with their skin, they are worried about using petroleum-based jelly or Vaseline on their skin. In cosmetic terms, petroleum, really refined petroleum that's meant for skin is actually okay. I'm not going to say that it's not okay. It's actually non-reactive and it's actually very good for the skin. But there are concerns because it's a petroleum byproduct, and the ones that are very interested in natural and in green cosmetics would like to find something else as a replacement. So I would like to introduce you to our vegetable-based petroleum jelly. This is very similar to Vaseline or petroleum jelly that you find in the market. The only thing is it's 100% vegan and vegetable based. Actually no, sorry, it's not 100% vegan because it contains Serra alba, which is beeswax. So let me read the label here for you. Natural Vaseline jelly is a semi-solid gel of 100% vegetable origin. It is an alternative to synthetic Vaseline, offers immediate hydration of up to 25% after 8 hours. This product is also EcoCert approved. It provides natural yet superior skin slip. Skin slip meaning that it slides very well on the skin and it covers a really good area, and it protects against dryness. Ideal for formulating lip products, mascara, rub-in balms. You can heat it until 70 Celsius and you can add in your essential oils to this Vaseline, vegetable Vaseline. So it's a really good product. Read out the ingredients. There are only 4 ingredients, so it's a very natural product. We have castor oil in here, hydrogenated castor oil. We have canola wax and also beeswax. So that is the product itself. And it comes in a smaller jar like this, 100 ml or 900 grams. So for those that are looking for something natural, green, vegetable-based jelly to make your own lip balms and, well, moisturizing ointments, well, this is the product that you may want to try out. All right, happy crafting, guys. Thank you so much.